Welcome back to the David Automobile Channel, gearheads and luxury enthusiasts. Today, we're getting a glimpse into automotive royalty, the 2025 Bugatti Chiron Super Sport Golden Era. Buckle up, because this isn't just a car. It's a rolling museum piece, a testament to Bugatti's heritage, and a glimpse into the future of hypercars. This limited edition masterpiece is the brainchild of a passionate Bugatti collector, conceived as a final tribute to the legendary W16 engine, before Bugatti embraces a new era of electrification. But the Golden Era isn't just about nostalgia. It's a rolling work of art. The exterior is a masterpiece in itself. Imagine a stunning two-tone livery, black carbon fiber blending seamlessly with a unique shade of gold called Golden AA. It's a perfect balance of darkness and brilliance, reflecting both the power of the engine and the elegance of Bugatti's design heritage. But the real magic lies in the intricate hand-drawn sketches adorning the car's sides. These aren't mere decorations. They're a story etched onto the car's very skin. The passenger side boasts 26 drawings, a tribute to classics like the Type 41 Royal and Type 57 SC Atlantic. The driver's side features 19 sketches, tracing Bugatti's journey from 1987 to the present, including the EB110, Veyron, Chiron, and the famed W16 engine itself. Every line, every curve, whispers a tale of Bugatti's legendary past. Step inside, and you're greeted by a luxurious haven. Black leather and Alcantara hug your senses, punctuated by accents of gold and carbon fiber. It's a symphony of textures that speaks of both comfort and performance. Whispers suggest a bespoke steering wheel, a unique center console, and bespoke door panels, each element designed to complement the exterior's artistic flair. But the Golden Era isn't just about aesthetics. Beneath the hood lies the heart of the beast, the quad-turbocharged 8.0 liters W16 engine. This legendary power plant has been pushed to its limits, according to rumors, producing a mind-blowing 1,578 horsepower and 1,180 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to propel this automotive sculpture from 0 to 60 mph in a jaw-dropping 2.2 seconds, and onto a rumored top speed exceeding 273 miles per hour. It's a testament to the engineer's passion and a final hurrah for the iconic W16. There's a reason they call it the Golden Era. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own a piece of Bugatti history. Production is rumored to be limited to just 40 units, each with an expected price tag of a staggering $5 million. While details haven't been confirmed, whispers suggest deliveries might begin sometime in late 2025. The 2025 Bugatti Chiron Super Sport Golden Era is more than a car. It's a rolling work of art, a historical artifact, and a symbol of automotive excellence. It's a car destined to become a collector's dream, a legend whispered about for generations to come. As we get closer to the official release, we'll be bringing you more details, confirmed specs, and exclusive insights on the 2025 Bugatti Chiron Super Sport Golden Era. So, subscribe to the David Automobile Channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single update. Let's celebrate the Golden Era of Bugatti together.